Hello and welcome to a new section. In this section, we are going to take a look at static analysis using x64dbg. Normally, when we speak of static analysis, we would like to compare it with dynamic analysis. Static means not running the program. So static analysis means examining the instructions without running the program. However, dynamic means running the program. So dynamic analysis means running the program and observing its behavior and examining the data, the registers, and so on. Using x64dbg, we can do both. We can run the program and examine the memory and registers, and at the same time we can also create a graphical representation of the instructions in order to gain a better view and also get better clarity. And this is what the graphical representation of the instructions will look like in x64dbg. As you can see, just by looking at this, we can already more or less understand that the important part of the instruction is the last line here, which decides whether or not it will show the bad message or the good message. So this helps a lot in the analysis of the software we are trying to crack. So in the next session onwards, I'm going to show you how to use x64dbg to generate this kind of graphical view of the code. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.